If you want to save a lot of money on repair of DSA series signal analyzers, look no farther than Equiptek Labs. We can repair oscilloscopes and signal analyzers of DSA series for 1/3 of the price charged by manufacturer. The scope in the picture was quoted at Tektronix $26,000 for repair. Another competitor of ours had quoted $15,000 for repair. We had repaired this scope for Lattice Semiconductor for much lower price and saved them a ton of money. So if you have a problem with your DSA series oscilloscope or signal analyzer and you're getting errors 331 or 321, give us a call or send us an email and we will be happy to quote you a fixed price repair and stick with it. Equiptek Labs, Menlo Park, California. Test equipment sales and repair since 1993.